Photography project proposal. Explore Jordan by Dream Travel. Contents of this proposal. Here's what you'll find out in this project proposal. An introduction to Dream Travel, ideas for the new campaign Explore Jordan, a summary of what types of photography will be included in the campaign, my mind map and mood boards, what makes my campaign different to others already out there, what type of media products do you want to create for this campaign, why I think these are the best media products to promote the campaign, who is my target audience, who will be in my campaign, where are the locations, Reese with photos, and thank you. An introduction to Dream Travel. About me. Hi, my name is Karim Abtouile. I became really interested in photography when I started creative media. I have developed different kinds of photography skills which led me to opening my new company Dream Travel. I started Dream Travel to inspire people who visit the amazing country Jordan with my photographs for the Explore Jordan campaign. About the project. I started a project called Explore Jordan campaign where I travel across Jordan and take photographs of all different cities such as Petra, Wadi Rum, Aqaba, Jarash, Karak, Citadel, Amman, and of course downtown. I use my photography for the Explore Jordan campaign to encourage people to visit the amazing country Jordan. The three main types of photography I will use in my campaign are landscape, architectural, and fashion. I think landscape photography will suit Jordan because the country has a lot of hills and mountains. Jordan has a lot of historical landscapes which will be suitable to photograph for the Explore Jordan campaign. Amman has a lot of classical buildings which will be perfect for taking architectural photography. I also chose fashion photography because I want to represent the Jordanian culture, fashion, and traditions. I plan on taking photographs of historical places such as Jarash, Aqaba, Karak, Citadel, Wadi Rum, and Petra. Working with the lighting equipment, I will be using lots of different lighting equipment such as LED lights, C-stands, color gels, tungsten lights, softboxes, reflectors, and diffusion filters. Different lighting effects, I will be using high key lighting, low key lighting, and 3-point lighting for the different photographs. Different lenses, I will be using a variety of lenses such as zoom lens and the telephoto lens. What makes my campaign different to others already out there? My Explore Jordan campaign provides free images taken from me personally and are available to download for free. I have a variety of different types of photography such as portrait photography, landscape photography, fine art photography, and etc. I always stay in touch with my clients during and after their trip, which makes my customers loyal to me and the Dream Travel. What type of media products for this campaign? In my Explore Jordan campaign, I will be using print media, books, magazines, newspapers, music, cell phones, and leaflets. Who will be in my campaign? Aqaba. I will be including Bedouins in my Explore Jordan campaign, and in Dead Sea, I will be photographing strangers floating in the Dead Sea and featuring them in my Explore Jordan campaign. Who is my target audience? The primary target audience is young people from the ages of 15 to 25. The aim is to encourage young people and tourists to visit the amazing historical sites of Jordan. Where are the locations? Reese with photos. My Explore Jordan campaign will offer a wide range of photographs shot from all tourist spots such as Aqaba, Karak, Petra, Wadi Rum, Dead Sea, Jarash, the Citadel, the Jordan Amphitheater, Ma'an, downtown, and Amman. Project goals. Goal 1 is to become a better photographer. Goal 2, my Explore Jordan campaign becoming more popular. Goal 3, attracting tourists' eyes. Goal 4, get lots of money out of my campaign. Sneak peek in my project. Here is a little sneak peek in one of my portrait photographs which will be added to my website. Project stages. Stage 1. Visit the tourist sites. Stage 2. Take photographs. Stage 3. Upload the photographs to my website. Timeline event. Week 1. Visit the Citadel. Week 2. Visit the Jordanian Amphitheater. Week 3. Visit Aqaba. And week 4. Visit the Dead Sea. My client. The client I am creating the media campaign for is Explore Jordan, and the context is that the Jordanian Tourism Board and International Community School have commissioned me to create a media campaign to promote tourism within Jordan. The work must be clearly include examples of my own photography to reflect the Explore Jordan campaign. Reference data. Type of event, budget, duration, capacity. Event 1 have Patra, the budget of 1000 JD, duration 3 hours, capacity 1200. Event 2 Aqaba, 200 JD, duration 2 hours, and the capacity of 350 people. Event 3 Dead Sea, 2000 JDs, 1 hour and a half, and 250 people. The list of photographs required. Medium shot of me as a photographer taking a shot. Photo 2. People floating in the Dead Sea. People covered in mud at the Dead Sea. Architectural photos of Aqaba and the beach. Landscape photo of Wadi Rum. Portrait landscape camels in Patra. Portrait landscape camels in Wadi Rum. Architectural photos of the historical sites of Amman. Portrait close-up shots of Bedouin. Frame within a frame landscape photo of the beach and the Dead Sea. Landscape photo of the sun setting over the Dead Sea. Landscape sunset photo of the Dead Sea. Thanks. Do you have any questions? Follow the project updates. Kareem Abu Tawila. Here's my email and my website. Thank you.